everyone, and welcome to In the Pan with Joe and Diane. Run VT title sequence. In this episode, we are going to go head to head. Do you know what that means?
Yep. Bosh.
Yep, out. Trying to knock out the competition already. This week we're going head to head in a versus battle of who can cook the nicest meal for under £10. Now we went to Sainsbury's. And,
I won already.
Well, that's the thing. Okay, you jumped the gun there, and then we both at the same time cook a meal and try and cook the best, tastiest meal possible. Okay, here we go. £10. Try and aim. There's a bonus for getting under.
I reckon I could do it in 6.
I reckon I could do it in 7. That's still higher than yours.
What are the rules?
10. You got 10 minutes to shop. 10 minutes to
No,
shop.
10 minutes.
There's a pigeon inside here. 3, 2, 1. Get shopping. Okay, run out of time. Diane's already finished. That's annoying. Need 2 more ingredients. One of them is really simple, but I just can't find it anywhere.
Caught red-handed, calling a friend to see what to make. You're not allowed to call a friend.
I'm not calling a friend.
Yes, you are. You're calling a friend to see what to make.
No, I'm not. I swear.
Yes. Yeah, you are. Time's nearly up, Joe. Well, I've got mine. Got everything I need. You actually just copied 2 of my products.
No, I didn't see it. I haven't seen.
Yes, you did.
I haven't seen.
You had a look in my basket and then went directly to the 2 things that you saw.
No, I swear they're different. This is very different.
How do you know if you haven't looked in my basket? We just bought all the stuff and now he says that we're allowed to use things that are already in the cupboard. That's not allowed. That's not in the rules.
All right then.
That is not in the rules. No, give me back my cabbage. It's my main ingredient. I'm just ruling that out right now. What you bought is what you use.
Both kept it under £10, although mine in total came to £8.95 and Diane's came to
£7 what? I can't do maths.
£6.60.
Oh, even better.
£6.60. Diane, tell us what you're going to cook first with your items.
I'm gonna go with cabbage, turmeric, and egg all together. Don't laugh until you've tried it.
Okay.
Trust me.
Yeah.
This one is for people like Gorka Marquez, who really wants to have a healthy meal. It's high in protein, low in calories, but high on the taste buds. So that's what we want. I've bought some sweet chili sauce in case it doesn't taste good.
I love you're saying that already.
So you can just pour that over the top.
To mask the taste of everything else.
And it masks it. So, and I'm just going to put it on a bed of rice, really. So, but you know what? This can stay in the fridge for up to a week, really.
Okay.
And you can get it out, have it for lunch. It's got egg in it, so you can even have it for breakfast.
You can reheat it.
It's a really good meal for the whole family to enjoy.
Well, I listened to the brief and I went for like a really just nice, tasty meal, one-off tasty meal. So I am going to
make... By the way, you can't borrow this. I bought it. You can't use any.
I am going for stuffed peppers. I'm going to stuff these peppers with a mixture of rice with mushrooms and spring onions and chopped up bacon with a Cajun seasoning to it. That's what I'm going for.
You try and sound so good, you even did hand actions.
Yeah, that's what this channel is all about.
All right, Jamie Oliver.
Right, rules are, we've got to share, like, pots and pans and stuff. Like, we've obviously got to share this workspace.
Yeah.
This is my kitchen, after all.
Yeah.
We haven't got a fancy studio yet. We can use salt, pepper, and oil. Other than that, we can't use anything else from the fridge or the freezer, or the freezer's broken anyway. Can't use any of that kind of stuff. And so whoever makes the best meal wins. It's going to be judged on how it tastes, obviously, it's food. Also, how it looks.
Oh no.
Presentation is key to a lot of people.
Mine is egg and cabbage. How is that going to look good? I already know what I'm going to do. Oh my God, I have the best idea.
Okay,
I'm not even going to tell you.
3, 2, 1, let's get in the pan. Go.
Go, okay.
Right,
I need
chopping board. Oh, are you the same thing?
I'm going to go with...
You've just smashed something already.
Sorry.
Why have you taken this? Where's the rest of the chopping boards? I swear
Don't know, Joe.
You've hidden them, haven't you?
I haven't hidden them.
You have. You've hidden them.
Look, there's one right there.
Yeah, that's huge. I don't need one that big. That's so big. You've hidden. Okay, right. You can start off with that then.
So what I'm doing is I'm leaving out some of the cabbage leaves to put around my plate so that it's presented really nicely.
You're allowed to use tinfoil and stuff, aren't we? Obviously.
Yeah, you're allowed to use tinfoil. As long as you don't eat the tinfoil, you can use it.
I'm feeling quite confident on time because so far, Dan, all you've managed to do is cut the end off your cabbage.
Yeah, but I'm thinking ahead, Joe. I'm thinking of my presentation right even before. Look at that.
That is quite cool.
That
it's
is
like a little bowl.
Cool.
I'm missing like a whole tray in my...
That's a shame.
First things first, I'm going to cook the bacon.
Right, so mine's very, very, very easy actually. All you have to do is shred the cabbage. Is
Masterpiece.
bacon class as meat? It's true, it's breakfast, not dinner.
You're saying that you can't have meat for breakfast? You are one of the most unusual people I've ever met in my life. That is a lot of cabbage!
Yeah, but
Jesus.
cabbage, do you realise that cabbage...
Yeah, it's gonna stink. It's gonna stink out my apartment.
Did you fart, Joe? The whole family can enjoy this.
Right.
And if you come home from 7 o'clock at night, if you come home from work at 7 o'clock at night, you'll have dinner ready by 7:15. Oil. You might have to get it for me.
No, that's not part of the rules. Oh, I don't think we have it. Where is it?
No.
I can't reach it.
Come on,
Can you lift me
Here,
up?
carry me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, have you fired? Is that the cabbage? Got it. Grab it.
Hang on, a little bit higher.
Get it.
Got it.
Is it olive oil? You can't tell if this is olive oil.
No, that's olives. That's olives.
Olive oil. Italian white wine vinegar.
Oh no!
We'd have to just make do without.
Do we have butter?
I don't think so. Right,
What we're going to do is
sorry,
pretend that we've got olive oil.
So I'm now dicing up or cutting the spring onions to mix in with the rice and the streaky bacon and the mushrooms. There's not mushroom for anything else, Diane. How do you actually laugh at that?
I like that joke.
The oldest food jokes in the world.
I always use that joke.
There's cabbage all over the floor.
Sorry.
Half of your cabbage is on the blood. Look how much. And you want the smaller chopping
Yeah,
board.
but you what?
Start with. Look at this.
Cabbage shrinks down. Cabbage really wilts.
This is looking nice already, mine. And it's not even
Same.
cooked
Mine's
yet.
got so much colour.
Bacon's looking good. Then I think I'm going to win this. I'm going to get one to the pan. Now, obviously, you would normally have oil. Yes, that's true. Right, just get that in the pan, looking nice.
You know, it'd be nice with that, a bit of onion.
Yeah.
Shame.
I do actually have an onion in the fridge, but I just can't use it.
You can't use it because you didn't think of it before.
Diane-
But you could have. That could have been in your budget.
Yeah, I know. I did walk past them as well.
So could have olive oil.
I reckon it's burning on the bottom.
Nah, she smells good.
I never heard of the cabbage referred to as a she. The thing is as well, Diane, what I've come to learn over the last 6 months is that she's very competitive.
I am.
Excuse me. Let me just put the bacon.
I might just prep my next bit, which will be eggs. However many you want to put in is up to you, but I'm going to go with 4.
Okay, bacon's now done. I might actually still finish before you, I reckon. Why is it slimy?
Oh no, you picked the wrong one. Did you wash them?
No. You're supposed to always wash your fruit and veg beforehand.
Always.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you wash your cabbage?
Yep.
Did you? I literally do not remember seeing you wash a cabbage. Because one, you would have to run a bath to wash that cabbage. It's that big.
See, this is what we wanted. This is browning up so nice. Now I don't only have white in my pan, I got brown too.
I've just realised a mistake that I've made.
What? Going up against me?
No. Before I cut the meat, I'm going to cut my peppers. This is basically what you're going to eat it out of. So it's kind of like, the best thing about it is kind of like yours, but nicer.
Nah, mine's
So,
cool.
because you can't eat that cabbage at the end, can you?
Well, no, but you don't want to eat it at the end.
Well, you can eat this at the end, and I'll show you how. What you're going to
Now.
do is you're going to cut down here like this, right? This is very important. You cut the lid off, you keep that, because you need that at the end. You cut this middle bit out, because you don't want to eat that. And this is what's going to be, this is where your rice and all the goodness is going to go inside. Be careful with the knife.
Oh, poor Rolf.
What?
Can't believe you're doing that.
What do you mean?
You stole my idea.
No, this has always been, I told you at the start, I'm going to make you stuffed peppers.
No, you stole
Yes,
my
I
idea.
did. How am I stealing your idea?
You were going to cut that up and put it in there.
No, I can tell you now for a fact, I wasn't. There you go. So now...
Just admit it.
I'm going to roast these slightly, ever so slightly, and then you fill it up, and you put the lid back on with the rice and stuff inside. Boom, lovely. It looks beautiful, presentation's amazing, and hopefully a 1-0 win to Joseph So.
So what I'm going to do
trying to
now
help.
is just look, just like that, straight in the pan.
That looks grim.
1. It doesn't look grim.
It does.
It doesn't.
It looks absolutely awful.
It doesn't look grim at all. We've got quite a few egg shells in that one. We're gonna go with 2, 3. We've got to work quite quickly in that. There's no eggshell in that.
Oh my God, how many eggs are you putting in there?
We're going for 4 because this is a high protein meal.
You could
4
literally
eggs.
feed.
Do you know what? You can actually put more. I might even, I'm just gonna give that a stir. And then it is like a
Oh my, you burnt the bottom of the pan.
No, I didn't.
You made an omelette.
Scrambling. It's not an omelette.
You've made
I haven't made
a cabbage omelette. Like, honestly,
Don't
I've
laugh until you've tried it.
I've seen stuff like that on the pavement outside on a night out.
Okay, we'll
afterwards.
go.
People throwing it up. I swear down. That is cooked to perfection. You want it slightly crispy, look, Diane. Look at that.
It looks raw.
No, how does that look raw? If anything, it looks perfectly done. And it's very hot. Be careful when taking your bacon out of the oven.
I'm now putting in the ingredient that changes this whole dish. Spoonful of turmeric, and you just pop her in like that. Maybe start less because you can always put more, but you can't take it out. And then you give that a little stir through.
I'm so confident. I'm tidying up as I go.
Confident in what? What do you mean?
Like, oh, I think I've broke the oven.
Oh, I'm so confident. So all we have to do now is bang on our 2-minute rice in the microwave for I don't know how long, but maybe.
Right, I'm gonna cut the bacon like this into little tiny pieces, just like this. Look. Nice and crispy, very very tasty. Get away, because I know you're plotting. The thing is, it's not fair on you because I've been cooking actually my entire life.
I'm half Italian.
I went to cook school.
I'm gonna actually taste test mine because just to check if I've got enough turmeric.
Is it not great?
No, it's good. I'm just kidding.
I might put some, you know what I'm gonna do? I might put some water in it, see what that does.
What's water gonna do?
Help it cook a little bit.
I think I put the rice in for too long.
Wait, your 2-minute rice? You put it in for longer than 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Surely not.
I did.
Water's gonna act as the natural lubricant. Oh, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. Got the water going, it's gonna help boil it, kind of in a pan, it's a bit weird, but oh well. Whilst Diane's applying lots of sweet chili sauce to her, whatever that is. That looks so dry, Diane.
That's why I added some sweet chili.
Oh yeah, I really shouldn't have put water in here, look. Nah, it's fine.
What did you put water in the pan for? That's
Huh? We have to put this up.
That really does. Even I wouldn't do something so stupid.
Really?
That stinks.
All right, well, screw you.
I
we'll
can't
just do this.
believe you just put water in the pan to cook it.
Yeah, that's part of the plan. Look, I drain it off, and then whoa, it's just called. It's like petrified now. Steams the greens out. It's like wash, like you said, wash your fruit, wash your veg.
So I'm already up to dishing up.
Yeah, I'm almost ready.
Do.
So you microwave your rice. I fry it.
Oh.
Much tastier flavour.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, thank you very much. The secret ingredient, the Cajun.
Now I'm
Cajun
going
spice.
to also just put a drizzle of this on top.
You just get your quick Cajun like that. Light sprinkle. It's better to add a little bit at a time. So you don't want it to be too overpowering.
That actually looks so good.
This is actually quite nice with the sauce in it. Why is this not working?
Oh.
Oh, you turned it off, that's why.
No.
Why did you turn it off for? You're trying to sabotage me. You literally trying to sabotage me, sabotager. You slide your bacon in like so.
That's a natural oil anyway.
Exactly. You get the oil from the bacon. I'll just kind of lube it up a little bit. I feel like I've said lube too many times in this video. You mix the bacon around. There you go. You've got lots of nice flavours in there now. You've got your Cajun, you've got the bacon, you've got the spring onion, you've got the mushroom, you've got the rice, in fact.
I'm not sure about the Cajun smell.
Well, you're wrong. Statistics show that 98% of people would love the smell of Cajun. You're just that 2% minority. So, can't win them all, hey? If it was not as dry as it looks, you would definitely eat this, wouldn't you, Josh?
Josh has already asked. Josh has actually already asked if we can take this home.
There's enough of it, you know.
And I said, look, I'll ask Joe first because I know he wants it for breakfast. Also, you have got some left. Look how much that made for families. That could last the whole week.
Get your peppers out.
So really, mine cost, what's half of 6? Mine cost
Are you
like
a real person?
£3 something.
You take your filling, bit of bacon, bit of everything, and you pour it inside the mushroom, what's it called? Pepper. Get another one. We've got lots of filling, so if you want, you could actually fill more than 2.
Needs oil.
Yes. I'm aware of that, Diana. And then you take your lids, place your lids ever so slightly on like that, ever so slightly on like that. And I've finished. Have you finished?
Yes.
Boom. Done.
Cheers.
Cheers. I love how you've. Wait, what is this?
That is the cleanser palette, so there's no cheating.
Is that in case because you think you put too much turmeric in?
No.
I think it is.
Once you've tried yours, you've got to cleanse your palate so you can get the full flavour.
Okay.
Okay, that's why I have a cup of milk.
Okay.
It's actually almond milk.
Right, so here we go. Ready? We're gonna try our own first, and try each other's.
Okay.
And try and get a gauge of which one's nicer.
Yep.
And you've got to be honest.
Yeah,
You can't always say that yours is nicest.
I'm all about honesty.
Right. I'm gonna cut down here. This has been perfectly roasted. Can I just say?
You have to make sure when you get mine that you get a bit of the rice, you get a bit of the
yeah.
egg, and a bit of the cabbage.
It's a mutual law. You've got to get a bit of mine as well.
I could eat that all day.
That's very good. Considering as how we couldn't use oil or anything to make it a bit more together, that's a very good snack. There's not too much. It's the perfect meal for a person.
Same.
Should we swap? Let's swap. Baby milk.
Cleanse your palate.
I think you know you've lost, don't you?
Don't make me laugh when I've got rice in my mouth. It's very dangerous. Make sure you get a bit of everything.
You keep saying that. I'm going to.
Sweet chili sauce. Get some of that. Make sure that is on there. That bit right there. Get that. Right.
That carrot's really got a kick to it, hasn't it? No, don't choke. That cabbage is in there. Tell you what. There's a lot of cabbage in this
yours
meal.
is alright. It could do with a bit more flavour.
Yeah.
You know what it could do with? You know what it could do with?
What?
Sweet chili sauce.
You know what yours could do with?
What?
Less cabbage. No.
You're a good actor, Joe. It's really good, isn't
I think if I was going to eat one, I'd probably go for this one, I think.
If I was to eat one, I'd probably go that one.
It's like this every series, isn't it? Always gonna pick our own every time. Yeah, I'll probably pick mine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this first episode of In the Pan with Joe and Diane. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to try and make this yourself, yeah, I know. And not from Spice either. Then hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you very soon with another episode. Thanks so much for watching.
I'll get better, I promise.
Also, let us know in the comments below which one you think looks the nicest and which one you think would taste the nicest from what you can see from this video. Make sure you turn on the little notification bell, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll see you very soon with another episode. Thank you. Goodbye. It's a lot of cabbage though, Josh.
Wow.
Yeah, see, I told you. Full on cabbage. It's intense, isn't it?
Yeah, there's notes of cabbage in that.
Yeah.
And then this looks really good.
Yeah, I told you.
I'd actually say the presentation, I like the novelty of this.
Alright.
So,
It's okay.
Good, isn't it?
Could have more flavour, could have some sweet chili sauce in it.
there's like, a bit of sweet chili would be lovely.
Yeah.
There's one that I could eat here. You know, a whole thing.
Like physically and just because you want to.
Yeah. And I guess that's pretty healthy as well, apart from the bacon.
Exactly, yeah. It's not too bad.
Well, they're both healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But overall.
Can't get much more healthier than a full cabbage.
I'm going to take the win on that one. I'm going to take the win.
Alright, Joe
Josh is giving me the win.
0. But it's not over.
More to come.
Producer
More
Josh has
to
said
come.
that the winner on that, his preferred one, without saying it because he's too nice, but he's basically said that mine was the nicest. Lucky Diane, there's always another episode to go.
There is.